can independently research and manufacture professional speaker and amplifier products. The product covers internal and external magnetic speaker, tweeter, mid-range, woofer, full-range speaker, and DSP amplifier. We have 4 advanced automated production lines with an annual capacity of 10 million pieces. Also have SolidWorks, CATIA, Pro-E, CAXA, FEM, Fine Motor, Fine Cone, COMSOL design analysis and simulation software, Clio, Calipull testing equipment, vehicle tuning rooms, anechoic chamber, audio-visual rooms, etc. TEMB can provide professional audio system solutions.